channel. This is going to be my first little mini SFX tutorial that I'm going to do for you guys. I'm going to do a bullet hole. It's super duper easy. As I stated in some previous videos that y'all may not have watched. If you didn't, that's fine. You can watch it if you want to. I can't force you to do anything you don't want to do. But I'm allergic to latex, so this is how I do a bullet hole with school glue, and this lasts for hours. It lasts just as well as anything else. So all that you're going to need is some glue, one cotton ball. That's it. You don't even need a whole cotton ball. Then you're going to need some blood if you want it to look bloody, and some eyeshadow to add you some depth and dimensions or whatever, and then the blood, like I said, if you want it, something to put the blood on your face with. That's pretty much it. I think that's all I need. I have everything. You need a blow dryer to like speed up the process. If you don't have one, just fan it. Since it's just a little bullet hole, it's not gonna take long to dry anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna put my bullet hole right here, execution style. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't know how to draw a circle, you can like take your eyeshadow and whatever utensil you're gonna use, dip the bottom of it because it's typically gonna be circular. Get a color, you can get a skin color or not, and then just draw you a circle however you want your bullet hole to be. I kind of like mine a little bit bigger because I got shot with a shotgun, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it ain't gotta be perfect. I just trying to make it darker so y'all can see it on camera. But y'all do not have to use it dark. Y'all can use a skin color one or whatever, it doesn't matter. Just know where your circle wants to be so you don't lose it. So I'm taking my glue. You see this little bit of glue I have right there? That's literally all we need. We don't need a lot of glue to start off with. So I'm going to put this over that circle. Okay? This is really simple and easy. I promise you, it's not hard at all. But you want to work kind of fast because you don't want your glue to dry before you put your cotton on there. So I'm taking this cotton ball. I'm going to fray it. Then I'm just using that to put around the circle because this is gonna give us the lift that we want. It does not have to be perfect, honey, because we're going to bruise this up, make it look as realistic as possible. So look, we have a little bullet hole just like that. So now I'm going to take some more glue and just kind of lay the edges and stuff down because we don't want it to stick up too much. Like pushing the edges down a little bit. Just putting some glue on my little brush, whatever brush you have. And since it's school glue, it doesn't mess up your brush. Even if you let it dry, it will not mess up your brush. Just rinse it off, all of it will come out. Which is a benefit of using school glue if you don't want to use latex. Because again, I'm allergic to it. And I'm just pushing down the sides, okay? And I'm going to take my blow dryer now just so it can dry. It's not really wet because we didn't use a lot of glue, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to use my blow dryer. So first, what I'm going to do is take a red shadow, or if you have a color with like a red paint, I guess you could say, or cream makeup, and I'm going to put this all over the white that is showing. Now I'm going to take some black. You can use cream shadow or cream makeup, whatever you have. And I'm going to put this on the inside to give it some depth. Okay. Alright. Just like on the inside edges, you can just push down and around. Get that black in there so it looks like it's deep. So it looks like the bullet hole actually went through your head and you don't just have like a circle on your face. Okay. Then you could I like take my finger and then just kind of blend that in so that it looks a little bruised a little bit with the black. And then I'll show you how to make it look more bruised in a minute. So in this palette, I'm going to take these two colors. I'm going to take this purple shade right here and its corresponding navy blue. Has a little bit of shimmer, but it doesn't matter. Put that on my finger like so. I need some more purple. Yeah, I need some more purple. Not too much though. Kind of rubbing them together. And I'm just patting that around so that it looks a little more bruised. Nothing's perfect. Now I'm taking a little bit more red and doing the same thing so it looks a little irritated around the area. You see that? Okay. And then, like, depending on your skin tone, you know, like how your skin tone bruises. Black people, we don't typically turn green a little bit, but I'm gonna add it just for dramatic effect. Just make sure you blend it, because this is a very vivid green, this one right here, in the BH Take Me to Brazil palette. So I'm just blending that out a little bit. If it gets too much, just put some more red or black on top of it, it'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Now in the middle, I'm going to take the red, this red, and this black. I'm going to mix them together to give it like a bloody depth in the middle. So yeah. Okay. And around the edges, it looks a little shiny, correct? So you can take some more red, or you could take some more purples to make it look a more bruised up. I like the way this is looking because I have a little bit of white, so it does look like I have some white meat coming out a bit, and it looks really freaking awesome to me. So in a previous video, I showed you guys how to make your own blood. So you can use your own blood, or if you have some store-bought blood, doesn't matter. I'm gonna use my own blood just so y'all can see how good it looks. The blood I made in the previous video. Oh, it's dripping. That ain't my business. But yeah, I'm gonna take this red blood that I made and I'm gonna use that for my bullet hole. So I'm just putting that in the middle. Y'all can see that. And then, yep. And I like to use my syringe to like make it drip more. But I don't have enough on the plate, so I'm just gonna like put it on the edge and let it drip on its own. It looks really scabby the way that I did it this time, because I didn't add foundation this time, but it looks really scabby and I really like it because it looked like it clotted really, really good. Oh, I really like that. I really, really like that. And that's pretty much it. This is the DIY blood that I made with the food coloring and the clear Elmer's glue. Elmer's glue. Yeah. I remember when I did it, I called my mom and she did not like it. But yeah. That's my bullet hole, bullet hole, bullet hole. This time, baby, I'll be bulletproof. It looks scabby. I really like it. The other one looked really, really fresh. But this one looks scabby. And I like it because it looks dirty and filthy and nasty. I really like that. But, oh, she's not. Almost fell. But yeah, look at that. It looks so scabby, irritated. And my blood looks pretty good, doesn't it? For it to be Elmer's glue and food coloring. Yeah. It looks pretty friggin' awesome. That is the video. That is my bullet hole. That is my dripping blood that I made out of Elmer's glue and food coloring. And this bullet hole is made out of cotton ball, some eyeshadow, and some clear Elmer's glue. Yeah, I'll insert some pictures of when I had my makeup done and did it right about now. And we back. Okay, so yeah. That's it. So if you want to see more from me, just let me know and we'll do that. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to me, or whatever. It's YouTube, I'm supposed to say that. It means the world to me. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. I appreciate you stopping by to watch the video. If you made this far, you're an OG. I appreciate you a lot. So that's it for the video. I will see y'all next time. Maybe, maybe not. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I gotta say. Bye.